Hong Kong is a place where towering skylines meet breathtaking natural wonders, where every turn reveals beauty shaped by nature and the brilliance of human creation. In this video, we're taking you through 5 extraordinary places that feel so alive, so vibrant, and so visually stunning that you'll want to book a flight the moment the video ends. Stay until the end, because each destination unfolds a side of Hong Kong you may have never seen before. First, we begin with Victoria Peak, the city's most iconic viewpoint, rising above the clouds with a skyline that looks almost unreal. Visitors come for one reason: the panoramic view that transforms Hong Kong into a glowing masterpiece, especially at sunset. Ride the Peak Tram, stroll the Sky Terrace, or capture long exposure shots of the harbor's lights. An interesting fact: the Peak was once reserved only for the elite during colonial times, making its open access today a powerful symbol of how Hong Kong grew into an inclusive global city. Next, travel to the astonishing shores of Tai O Fishing Village, a peaceful world surrounded by water, stilt houses, and gentle sea breezes. Tai O gives travelers a glimpse of Hong Kong's earliest coastal life, where wooden houses rest above the tides and boats drift between them like moving stories. You can explore local markets, take a boat ride through the stilt neighborhoods, and capture dreamy slow-paced moments that contrast beautifully with the city's modern energy. Fun fact: Tai O is often called the Venice of Hong Kong because of its canals and unique fishing architecture. From calm waters to wild heights, the next destination is Dragon's Back, Hong Kong's most beloved hiking trail. Here, nature stretches in rolling ridges, turquoise coastlines, and sweeping views that feel like they belong in a fantasy film. Hike along the ridge, stop at viewing points above Sheko Beach, and let the wind carry your stress away. Dragon's Back won an award from Time magazine as one of the world's best urban hikes, proving that adventure is never far from the city. Our journey continues at Ngong Ping 360, a breathtaking cable car experience that floats you above lush green valleys and sparkling waters. The crystal cabins offer floor-to-ceiling views, giving you the sensation of flying. During the ride, you'll see mountains merging with ocean horizons, one of the most peaceful experiences in Hong Kong. What makes it interesting is that the 5.7-kilometer route is one of the longest bi-cable ropeways in Asia, turning a simple ride into a cinematic adventure. Finally, end the journey with the magic of Tsim Sha Tsui Promenade, the perfect place to watch Hong Kong's skyline come alive. This waterfront walkway gives unmatched views of Victoria Harbour, where reflections shimmer on the water like dancing lights. You can watch the nightly Symphony of Lights show, enjoy peaceful harbor breezes, and capture some of the best city photographs in Asia. Interesting fact: The promenade is one of the most filmed locations in Hong Kong because it blends urban beauty with ocean serenity. Hong Kong is more than a destination. It's a world where nature and human creativity blend into something unforgettable. If these places touched your imagination, then you're ready for the next chapter. Watch more of our videos and keep exploring the wonders of creation, one destination at a time.